Alright, I just changed out the spark plugs and ignition spark plug wires, the ignition coil wires, spark plug wires, ignition spark plug plugs, whatever you want to call it. Just changed the cables and I changed the spark plugs. Just want to give a quick demonstration of how I did that. All you simply do is unplug the plug. The original ones that were on this vehicle, the plug connector, the butt connector in here, stayed on the spark plug, so I had to replace the plugs from AutoZone with Duralasts. And this one is a 5/8 socket spark plug removal. And the way I did this was using a swivel and extension, and I broke them all loose all the way to the back, and I replaced each and every single one, put in the new spark plug, secured it down, put in the new spark plug wire, just like so. On the other side, it was a bit harder. This side, I just use the 5/8 with a small extension to remove the spark plug from there, and there. And at the last one, I just used the 5/8 with the swivel. That was one of the hardest ones to get, but you're able to reach it. Then I just replaced all the spark plug wires as well. Reason for it is because we were having misfire in cylinder 6 and 3. 6 is here, 3 is on the other side. And I went ahead and removed the spark plugs. Alright, and here are the old ones. These were okay. These were the worst ones. Look at this one. I don't think I've ever seen that before. The light's a little too bright. Turn that off. Oh wow. Nice. Looks like a tungsten rod. And this is why I had to replace the wires. Yay. And that is pretty much how you change out the spark plugs on this 2009 GMC Sierra. I also did the oil pressure switch, which was not fun. It was way in there behind the motor. And yeah, here are the old ignition wires. There it is, the old ones. I think these are OEM actually. But there it is, new wires, new plugs, new oil pressure switch, and new oil as well. This truck is going to be running nice and cherry. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Sorry I didn't demonstrate of how to take them all out and replace them. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown of how to essentially get it done. This is a big job, to be honest. I think it's my first V8. Because even when I had my V8, I don't think I changed the spark plugs. I don't think I had it for that long. But yeah, this last one back here was a hassle. You see the coil going back there behind the exhaust manifold. Yep, not fun. This side is not fun. I don't know why the freak GMC couldn't just like center the motor just a little bit more. Beats me, man. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.